Hey everyone, welcome. Want to quickly convert tables from images or PDFs into editable Excel sheets? ComPDFKit online tools is the perfect solution. Open the API demo. Select Extract Table Only. This tool supports you in converting images and PDF to Excel, and you just upload your image or PDF file. Then choose Excel as the output format. Click Extract and you're done. Back to ComPDFKit API demo. Select PDF to Excel. Adjust settings as needed like table extraction and keep other options as default. Click Convert. Done. It's that simple. That's all. See you next time.